Hey my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Also in today's video I am going to be doing a first impression and review, like demo of a beginner's gel nail kit that I got off of Amazon for about $28 or $30. It was no more than that. If you guys are interested in the product, by the time you guys are done watching this video, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. It's not affiliated or anything, but I figure why not share it with you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing the kit. So the one I got is from Model 1's, and it's the Ideal Gel Polish Beginner's Kit Salon Effect at Home. This is the UV light it came with. It's a nice cute little pink one, and it has like a little stand. The leg part was hard for me to open, so if you guys purchase this and you guys can't get it to open, like the legs, use a butter knife because it was stuck. So my only complaint about this, telling you guys right now, because obviously I did use it, I'll show you guys my nails in a little bit, is how small it is. It's so small. I have to do like 4 fingers and then my thumb to cure it, which was fine. Like, you know, I'm doing it at home. It's like a self-care type of thing, but I do wish it was a little bit bigger. But I guess if you're traveling, stuff like that, it's really nice and compact. And it also came with the USB cord. This, I wish it was a little bit longer because the desk that I was using, it barely kind of like fit from the ground to the desk where the plug was at. But it's fine. It's just a regular USB cord that you plug it in. It doesn't come with the adapter though, so you have to just use an adapter that you have at home. I just used my boyfriend's one. And then it came with 6 gel nail polishes, and so these are the colors that it had come with. So this is the first 3, and it came with these other 3. It's a white, baby pink, and a blue. Can barely see it on camera, but it's cool because they give you these little stickers that you can paint on the top and then cure it and then put it on the bottles, just because obviously the bottles are black and you can't see what color you're using. And then it also came with a base coat and a top coat. Now, I've never worked with, you know, other gel nail polish brands and anything like that, so this is all I have based on. And telling you guys, it was pretty easy to use. You guys will see it in the demo. In this little bag, you have all your little tools. So it came with a brush. I don't know what this is. It's a cheap brush. I mean, like, it's shedding and stuff like that, but I think they use this to like dust off, you know, your skin, or like when you're cleaning your nails. That's what I've seen them doing at the nail salon. So it comes with a brush, comes with those little label things I told you guys about. It came with 2 nail files. I did not use this just because I already prepped my nails the day before I actually did them. Came with a little brush. I don't know what this is for. I guess like when you wash your hands. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. I don't know anything about nail stuff, guys. So it also came with cuticle oil, a cuticle remover, and a cuticle pusher right here. It also came with the little toe separators and a nail clipper. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the demo part so you guys can see how I got these nails. And so I've never used or done gel polish with the UV light on myself. I've had it done at the nail salon and it peeled. So hopefully I prepped my nails good enough that it won't do that this time. So I am pushing back my cuticles with cleaned, washed hands. I already did that off camera. So I'm pushing back all the dead cuticles on each hand, or each finger on every hand. So I went and did that for both. And then I went in and removed some of my dead cuticles. And if you guys know any products that actually help like soften the skin to remove it better, let me know. Leave them in the comments down below and I'll try them out.
I'm gonna go ahead and dehydrate the nail beds using some acetone. Sorry, little one is jumping on the bed. I didn't have alcohol to do this with, but I normally like using acetone anyway just to dehydrate the nails whenever I'm prepping it for press-ons. So that's a tip if you guys are interested in doing press-ons and you guys are wondering why it doesn't last well. Hi, little one. The cat's right by the mic. So now after doing so, I am going to apply a thin layer of the base coat on each nail. And I've never worked with gel nail polishes before, but this one I noticed is really goopy. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or if that's how, you know, it normally is, but let me know if it's supposed to be like that. And then I'm cleaning the edges before I'm curing it. And as you can see, the lamp is pretty small, so it only fits like 4 fingers. And then I have to take it out and then cure the thumb because the lamp is really small. So I did that for both hands, and you can tell how shiny it is. So I'm actually going to have an accent now. It's going to be on my ring finger. I'm going to use the white nail polish and apply a thin layer. And when I say thin, I mean a thin layer, but this nail polish was pretty goopy, so just be careful because I've heard you don't want to apply thick layers. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cure it again for 60 seconds and then I applied a second coat, but I didn't put that in the clip. And then I don't have a daughter tool, so I just kind of improvised. I used a Q-tip and I cut the puffy part off, and I'm just applying the nude color in like random dots all over this nail. I figured I'd do the accent nail first because I've had more patience in the beginning rather than later when I'm like over it. And then cure it again because you don't want it to like move around or anything. And then I'm adding the black with a clean like Q-tip remover air cleaner thing that I made shift as a daughter tool because I don't have one. So if you don't have like all these tools, just kind of look around your house and see what you have because I wasn't about to go and buy a daughter tool. So I'm making like little leopard or cheetah prints on this nail if you guys didn't know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that with a UV light for 60 seconds. And then all the other fingernails is gonna be that nice nude color, and this nude color is everything. I kind of wish I knew what the name was, but I'm not too sure what the name is. And I'm applying thin layers to every nail. Try not to get it so goopy. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted like a simple nail look, I guess. And then don't forget to clean up if there's any nail polish on your skin because you don't want to cure it while it's on your skin. I do wish this lamp was bigger, but it's okay. And then we're going to finish it off with the clear top coat, applying a thin layer and then eventually curing that as well. And the last step is going to be to apply cuticle oil, and this one felt pretty nice, and I'm just going to twist some of that product out of the brush and apply it to all of the fingers. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am pretty proud of myself for how well this one turned out for my first time using this kit. And if you guys aren't on a budget and wanting to make your nails look nice, I would really suggest this nail kit, and I'll link it down below for you.
Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about the product, leave them in the comments down below. I'll go ahead and answer them to the best that I can. And if you guys are interested in purchasing the gel nail kit that I use, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. It's not going to be affiliated or anything, but I figured why not share with you guys. If you guys are on a budget and you guys still want to get your nails done and just do it yourself, save some money and still look cute, go ahead and check the info box if you guys are interested. I'm sorry if you guys can hear little one, she's in the room with me. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't yet already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys could join the Cupcake Ohana. And much mahalo to my new cupcakes that has subscribed to my channel. We reached over 1,800 cupcakes, so yay for that. 2022 we're gonna reach at 2,000 cupcakes. I already know it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.